Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the newly subscriber. Oh, diba? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Congrats. I'm just always to see congrats. Whatever what I have, diba? Kasi ganun talaga bawat araw. Kailangan magpapasalamat ka at magsisi. Thank you and congrats by your own lahat ng nagawa mo. O diba? Nahulog ako doon sa gilid. Thank you, no? Ito yung panibagong namin change sa kwarto ni Sisi. Okay? 2 beds na siya. Ito, ayan. Ayan. Hindi pa masyadong fix. Marami pa akong dapat iligpit. At least now, meron na kami magagandang naiayos. Normal what's that? Tingnan mo yung chinilas ko. Kasi na-slide ako doon pag-iris ko. Ay, naku. Nakakatawa naman minsan ang buhay ko talaga. Hindi pa. I'm not yet finished in the big balcony. And the room of Madam not yet, and the dining. So I just finished my life. Tapos, battery na tayo. Kaya ganun. Nasaan yung battery? Isa nito. Nandoon pala. Meron pa kaya to? Wala na rin. Kaya ito na lang gamit natin. Thank you again. Thank you mga Sam Vlogger that you are still helping to me. Continue helping to me in my channel that I'm just starting to do it by myself. Okay, so thank you. And the Sam Vlogger that you are also still helping from the beginning until now, and the Sam Vloggers that I support also to them. Thank you and good luck and more blessings sa mga ninyo sa channel that na meron kayo na nagiging bilong at nagiging party kayo sa iba't ibang klase ng mga social media. Kaya YT, founder and mga workers and this stuff, thank you. Thank you for the consideration that you are given and in my different kind of videos, the way I do, the way everything. Thank you for the open-minded and I wish go na lang yan. Ewan ko kung anong magiging ending yun. Kasi I'm trying to apply but I can't success. I'm not success to be the verification. So ewan ko. Bahala na ang YT founder and I want this all team of the YT and mga staff and workers. Kaya bahala. So once again to all my mga amo, both side ni Madam and Sir, good luck. Friends of Madam, all families of Madam, family ni Sir, all friends of family of ni Sir and ni Sisi and our future coming little baby. And to all my angkan in my hometown, and you know who you are, that is the part of my journey. While I'm still living in this earth, yun talaga ang buhay na meron ako. So, magiging continue lang kung anong magiging success that what I have. So, thank you talaga. And you know who you are. You are updated or not updated of your individual channel. But you know who you are and where they are. That you are still helping. And Brad and all my nieces, good luck for your future and every day that you are doing in daily routine, not only to us, not only for angkan families, kundi to all people in this earth that we belong in the different countries. Thank you. God bless us all and bye. Keep safe.